Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus or the Pro and their actual prices. So we have had some leaks from Roland at Twitter. He said that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the 10 Plus are going to start at 256 gigabyte of capacity, and the Note 10, the smaller version, is going to be 1,000 euros, and the larger Note 10 Plus is going to be 1,500 euros. And of course, these are the European prices that you might end up seeing based on what the retailers are saying. Now, what I want to do is I want to talk about the United States prices. Okay, so if you live in the United States and you're wondering how much these phones are potentially going to be, in this video, that's exactly what I want to talk about. So normally what you would do is you would take these numbers and just convert them to US dollars. And let's do that real quick. Let's ask Google how much 1,000 euros is in United States dollars. So let me ask that right now. Okay, Google, convert 1,000 euros to United States dollars.
1,000 euros equals $1,128.75.
So that's $1,128, and that's not going to be the price of the smaller Note 10 in the United States, and I'll tell you why. Before that, let me do the conversion for the larger version. Okay, Google, convert 1,150 euros to United States dollars.
1,150 euros equals $1,298.06.
So that's $1,298. And if you do a direct conversion, those are the crazy prices you get for the United States. But again, those are not the prices. And I'll let you know why. Because anytime you look at European prices, what they have inside the price is the actual tax included, embedded into the price. So this $1,000 price tag for the smaller Note 10 already has what is known as the VAT, the value added tax. That is the European tax that gets added to all the products sold there. So if you were to go to Amazon's UK website right now and you look at the prices online, all those prices already include the value added tax. And the British rate right now for these taxes is in fact around 20%. And of course it varies country by country, but the approximate rate is 15%. So what we have to do is we have to take out 15% off the $1,000 price. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, Google, what is 15% of $1,000?
The answer is 150 United States dollars.
So what you do is you take $150 and you take that off the $1,000 price. So what we have is 850 euros without the value added tax. Now, if I convert the 850 to US dollars, that's the price you'll see here, at least approximately. So let's do that. Okay, Google, convert 850 euros to United States dollars.
850 euros equals $959.44.
So it looks like it's going to be approximately $950 for the smaller Note 10 model. Approximately, again, these prices are based on a leak from Roland, so we're not sure how correct they are. But let's do the larger one too. Okay, Google, what is 15% of $1,150?
The answer is 172 United States dollars and 50 cents.
Okay, Google, 1,150 minus 172.
The answer is 978.
Okay, Google, convert 978 euros to United States dollars.
978 euros equals $1,103.92.
Okay, so the Note 10 Pro is going to be in the range of $1,100. It's saying $1,103, but of course, you know they don't give that kind of price. It's probably going to be $1,099. And that's what we have so far based on these prices. So those are the US prices. The Note 10 Plus/Pro is going to be $1,099, and the smaller Note 10 is probably going to be $949, again based on these leaks. And these are US prices based on these European prices. Now remember, European prices always have the value added tax embedded into the price. In the United States, when you look at a price, it does not include the tax. You have to add the tax at the checkout when you're actually making the payment. and the rates are not as high. So in Philadelphia, the state that I live in Pennsylvania, I mean, it's 6%. Some other states have 7%. Some states don't even have a tax. So just keep that in mind. These are the United States prices, approximately smaller Note 10, $950, which I think is still expensive. Larger Note 10 Plus, $1,100, which I still think is expensive, but it's a little bit more, it makes a little bit more sense as opposed to when you directly convert the full euro price to the US price. All right, so that was a quick update, guys. If you do have any information that I'm not aware of, drop it down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.